Hello, my name is Cole Butler, and I'm presenting on my career development program called Positive Psychedelic Research and Therapy Career Development Program for Psy 624. Just a brief introduction. What's psychedelic research and therapy? It is a quickly, rapidly growing field. It's hard to summarize it briefly for the presentation, but it's a niche field. Usually people have powerful experience on psychedelic drugs like LSD, psilocybin, and DMT. And we're finding out that these can have therapeutic effects, and people are really interested in understanding them and working with them as clinical tools. So I myself have worked on multiple like big project clinical trials. I have my master's degree in addiction counseling. I'm setting up a therapy practice, and I have a LinkedIn following of about 2,600 people where I talk about psychedelic research and therapy. I've even offered career coaching services in psychedelic research and therapy, but I haven't really had a system. I've just been talking with people. So I was really excited to learn more and get to develop this program and actually start to implement it in my private practice. So overall, the framework for this will be like moving towards eudaimonic well-being. So actualizing one's potential through a genuine interest in working with psychedelics professionally. We also incorporate many aspects of career counseling, but specifically within the program, we do the interest, values, personality, and workplace preferences assessments through the Pathway U resource that we're provided in this course. So how we'll start out with people is they'll go to my website, they'll see an advertisement about, eudaimonic well-being and psychedelic research and therapy careers. If people decide they want to sign up, they'll fill out an intake form, with some basic demographic information and why they want to do this, which will give me kind of a brief assessment. I'll also give them a resource guide to Pathway U and how to use that and instruct them to do that to get their assessment results. I've also created a psychedelic job guide that links to a job board where you can find careers in psychedelic research and therapy. And we'll also be using an assessment called My Vocational Situation, which will help me determine the client's readiness. And based on their readiness, that will determine how I move forward with the client. Individuals that are high readiness will be provided with the psychedelic job guide. And we'll also make an individual learning plan, which will determine or which will help us provide the client with resources and tools that they might need. So things like going through trainings, a therapist might need a course of ketamine-assisted therapy training. And after this person is done with their ILP, I'll do a follow-up session. Medium readiness clients will have short-term counseling where we can explore their Pathway U results, talk about those and evaluate them, and kind of assess those details. And when they're ready, we can move into providing a psychedelic job guide, going through that, and then doing an ILP to gain additional resources and take actionable steps. Low readiness clients, I'll meet with them weekly. These people might have other things going on, substance use issues, mental health, marginalization, barriers, and they might need more continual working through things. But when they're ready, we can move to an individual learning plan and kind of monitor and check in on progress. So I'm going to evaluate outcomes. I'll do multiple evaluations. So the My Vocational thing will be pre and post. We'll do a process evaluation where I just check in with the client weekly, and then an impact evaluation will be done following 3, 6, 9, and 12 months afterwards. So basically just asking if they got a job, if they liked it, and any feedback for me. And that is my time. So thank you for tuning in.